Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Brett's Brain. Today I'm going to tell you the single biggest mistake that founders make when raising a pre-seed or seed stage round of venture capital. It's that they only create one pitch deck. They use the same deck to put in a forwardable email, which we've talked about in the past, that they do to pitch off of when they're meeting that venture capital, that they send out as a teaser to venture capitalists. You shouldn't do that. You should have two different decks. You need to have one that's your teaser deck. The only job of that deck is to get a meeting. It needs to be interesting. You need to have your hook up front. We've talked about that in the past as well. So that's the only job of that thing is to get a meeting. And then you have the deck that you're going to pitch off of. And that one can be as long as you'd like because you can control the time and narrative when you're actually having that meeting. But don't send out a long form deck as a teaser, as a way to get a meeting. What you do is you inevitably allow the investor to make an investment decision before they've ever met you. And at pre-seed, seed, and A, and even beyond, the most important part of a company is the team. Your deck is just a tool to help you get the meeting. Your deck is just a tool to help you explain your company. Don't make the mistake of sending a big, long investment deck out to investors or as forwardables to try and get meetings. As an investor, when we look at those, we literally will already have made a decision before we've had the chance to meet you. And you're doing yourself a disservice when you do that.